Okay, go.
Dumating na aking mystery box from Lazada. This is what I ordered from the 11/11 na sale. Pero, hindi naman siya sale actually. So, are you ready to open? This is worth, 485 pesos and 52 cents. So, I ordered a gadget mystery box. Ooh, na-excite ako. But I don't wanna expect kasi baka ma-disappoint.
Aww.
So, let's open. Wow! Naka-ano pa siya, oh. Naka-bubble wrap. So, sana, if ever may maganda sa loob, sana hindi siya sira. Ala, ito no, nabuksan ko na. I already took off the bubble wrap and I will open it and i-reveal ko po ng one by one. Paano kaya yun? One by one. Wala, ma-open. Makikita ko siya agad. Lahat.
Okay, how will it work?
Ready? First item. Sana worth sa akin or more than worth. Ano to? Battery pack! Wow. Look! Wait, tsaka man. Baka joke lang ito. Nakita ko na ito nila. Wow! Hello! Sana hindi ako bumili ng power bank! Power bank na Romoss. Paano ba mag-ano ng capacity? 98,000? Tama ba yan ang pagkabasa ko? No? Joke ba to? Or... Wow! Pero, I'm happy. Woohoo! May power bank na ako. Dalawa ang kanyang USB port. Uy, ang galing. Diyan siya. Lala. Okay. Next item. Glue. Meron ako. New.
What?
Romoss. Amazing. Tapos 98,000. Next item. Wow, multiband. Para saan to? Para yung sa cellphone. Yung nilalagay na ganyan-ganyan. Nakadikit sa loob. Multiband. Yon, basta. Yan. Okay na din. Ready, isa pa. Parang ano to. Parang alam ko to. Parang stand siya. Cellphone stand. Tara! Tripod na maliit. Wow! Dalawa na ang tripod ko. Pero ano siya, yung nabibend. Diba ko masira? Narinig ko yun. Okay. Yay! Pwede na. Ano siya? Medyo mahaba? Ano kaya ito? Hindi ko mag-guess. Parang may USB something. Light. Plug into USB port. Tapos, magla-light yata siya. Diba? Maybe. Lamp. Okay. How many items are? 1, 2. Ay, isa na lang pala. Kasi I think this one is, ayun, kasama sa tripod. Isa na lang! 1, 2, 3. Tada! Wow! Original Samsung earpads. Ito ba? Tuned by AKG. Ito kaya? Original ba talaga? But, pwede na. Ayun. Sakto, sira yung ano ko, earpods.
Woohoo!
May mic. Yes, may mic. May mic siya. So, mamaya ko na po i-untangle. But, that's all, I think. Yun na. That's all. Congratulations! You are one step closer to winning. Well, one step closer. You might not have won today, but you're able to help someone in partnership with Helping Hands. Proceeds from this box will fund children in need of new school supplies. Thank you for joining the mystery box game. Helping Hands. Yun. Well, I didn't know about the fund thingy, but glad to help. Bye! Andito ako sa office ngayon. And Teacher Jean said na pareho daw kami ng power bank.
Ta-da!
Tada! Yun. And then, how much did you buy it for?
400 plus.
400 plus. So, dito pa lang bawing-bawi na po ako. And then, nakaka-charge naman po pala talaga siya.
Woohoo!
And matibay daw.
Life-changing po yan.
Life-changing siya. Kasi pag nalulobat talagang na-full charge naman siya. Alright, that's all for my vlog. It's a very short vlog, but I hope you've all enjoyed because I myself have enjoyed what I have received from Lazada Mystery Box. I am very satisfied because worth naman siya sa aking binayad na pera dun sa delivery. I have also helped the foundation, which I was surprised about, but I'm happy about it. So, yun. I hope you've enjoyed again. I hope you subscribe to my channel and hit that notification button below kasi I will be maybe uploading more videos sooner or later. I hope you watch out.